Kahit na nung pagkapanganak ko, gusto ko nang maligo, bawal pa rin. Mataas kasi pain tolerance.
Kahit di
So
kayo
this time we're going to do the occupied bed. Occupied, gamit pa ng client. Ha? So occupied bed. So ideally, you adjust the bed kung meron namang capacity.
Sa demo,
Always
hindi ko
bed.
kaya
Sa taas yung bed, always bed. Pero si bed na to wala siyang capacity to do that. So yun na lang, you work on your own. So this time, if you're going to do it na mas mababa sa'yo, make sure if you bend your body, gamitin niyo yung body mechanics niyo. Kung hindi pwede na nakabend, so kung ano, kaya i-bend yung knees when you do it. Okay? And so we'll start with the occupied bed. So before doing so, move your client to the side of the bed. Kung ito yung working area nyo, you can move your client to the side.
Hindi mo po siya makakabilang mo. After 20.
Para mas malaki ang working area.
Isang ganyan, hindi papalit.
Make sure na pag nandoon ay nakataas ang side rails. Lower the side rails in your
Ay, hindi. Hindi kasi ako pwede bumalik.
using the knees. And then, unfold it. Pwede rin yung client nyo ay naka-side lying. Ha? Naka-side lying para ilalagay nyo yung linen kung malaki yung client nyo. Mas pinarasa.
Ay, nako. Ayoko na kayo.
Kung lalo na kung malaki yung client, kahit na-move nyo siya sa side, malaki pa rin yung space na kakainin niya. So, lagyan nyo ng pillow dito. So you can work habang sa client yung side lying. Saan yung pillow na? Ideally, kaya naman i-support yung sarili niya sa side lying. Pero pag ni-roll niyo pa, yung linens, yan. Make sure to fold it to the, unfold it to the half. So yun yung working area mo, dun sa side mo. Yung pinatupig ko ng ganito kanina, tandaan nyo ha. Yan yung breath, yung midline. Siya dapat yung nasa table. And then if you're going to unfold it, yung lower part, nakalagay lang siya dun sa bottom part of the bottom of the mattress. Hindi yan lalagpas. Ha? Sakto lang talaga dapat yung sa dulo. Later, makikita nyo. So, ganyan lang muna so that the linen later will be tucked under the client's head part ng mattress. So the tendency, if you're not going to tuck everything at the head part, the client will drag the bed or the linen downwards later. Thus creating so much stress or yung mga fold dun sa linen, pwede mag-cause ng uncomfort dun sa client na. So, dapat dun lang siya sa right. Nakuha. The excess, unfold, and then put it under the client's old linen. Time, tuck everything under the client's part. When you're tucking, put your hands downwards, ha? Huwag yung pa-up. Kasi ang tendency, if you're going to tuck it, pag ganyan mabubuhat yung ano. So, dapat ganito para pababa yung lagay. So, do a miter. Sundan niyo yung ano, triangle, ha?
Tapos ipapalit.
Ha?
Hirap naman.
Going to the natin kanina. Natin ito yung rubber sheet. Kung wala na rubber sheet, you put this in the midline of the client. Make sure na yung buttocks niya ang magta-touch doon sa part na yun, ha? So then we do the draw sheet. And then move to the other side. And then do the same procedure sa kabila. You can move the client to the side kung maliit lang naman siya, or again,
Side line.
side line. Hindi yan, kaya kami nandito eh.
Sir, lang kayo.